1 week to build a business plan. Or 2 hours. Same asset, same quality output. The difference is how top operators are using AI right now. Today, we are breaking down exactly how real estate investment operators are using AI to generate business plans, value-add roadmaps, and lease-up strategies for every asset in their portfolio. Real estate is more competitive than ever. Deal windows are shorter, LP expectations are higher, and the operators moving fastest are winning the best assets. Here is what the shift actually looks like in practice. Traditional business plan preparation means your analyst team spending days pulling comps, modeling scenarios, drafting narratives, and coordinating review cycles. By the time the plan is polished, the deal window may already have moved. AI-powered workflows compress every stage of that process. The same quality output, including market context, financial projections, and a value-add strategy, delivered the same day your deal hits the pipeline. The fastest way to get started costs nothing extra. ChatGPT can generate a full first draft business plan in under 2 minutes with the right prompt. Here is a real example. You are evaluating a 120-unit Class B multifamily in Dallas at 78% occupancy, built in 1998 with no significant upgrades. You paste in your prompt, and within seconds you have a value-add roadmap, a 12-month lease-up strategy, and a 3-year plan with renovation phasing, projected rent bumps, and stabilized NOI targets. You layer in your market data and financial assumptions, and your analyst refines from there instead of starting from scratch. And this is not just for multifamily. The same prompt approach works across every asset class your fund touches. Now let's step up to purpose-built platforms designed specifically for real estate operators managing complex portfolios. For operators managing commercial portfolios with complicated lease structures, Re-Leased is purpose-built for exactly that problem. Picture managing a 15-property retail portfolio with 80 different leases, tracking renewal options, co-tenancy clauses, and rent escalation schedules across all of them. Cridia surfaces that contractual detail instantly, so your team builds lease-up strategies grounded in actual lease obligations rather than manual spreadsheet reviews. The AI document extraction and lease Q&A feature with cited source references means your asset managers get answers in seconds, not hours. When your lease data is instantly accessible, the downstream impact on deal velocity and asset planning is dramatic. For enterprise funds managing large, diverse portfolios across multiple asset types, Yardi Voyager AI is the go-to platform. The in-app AI assistant connects directly to your existing Voyager workflows, so asset managers can query the system to surface underperforming units, flag upcoming lease expirations, and generate AI-assisted business plan narratives for each asset without switching tools or exporting data. For a private equity fund managing 30 assets across multifamily, office, and industrial, this means your entire team operates from one platform with AI embedded at every decision point. MRI Software brings another powerful option for mid-market to enterprise operators. Their Ask Agora conversational AI lets asset managers query portfolio data in plain English and get answers that would otherwise require hours of manual report pulling. The platform also supports agentic workflows for month-end processes, so your team closes the books faster and shifts focus to strategic planning. A regional operator managing 10 suburban office buildings, for example, can automate recurring reporting entirely and redirect analyst time toward refining lease-up strategies and building investor communications. So what does this all add up to for your operation? Let's look at the real business impact. Here is where the time savings show up most dramatically across the core documents your team produces every deal cycle. The firms that adopt these tools early are building a compounding advantage. Faster deal evaluation means more bids in more markets. Better business plans mean stronger LP confidence and faster capital deployment. And when your analysts are not buried in first draft work, they are focused on the strategic decisions that actually drive returns. Getting started is more straightforward than most operators expect. Begin with ChatGPT prompts on your next live deal to see the output quality firsthand. Then identify which documents your team produces most often on every deal cycle. From there, evaluate whether a purpose-built platform like Re-Leased, Yardi, or MRI matches your portfolio complexity. And if you want a shortcut, an AI audit maps the highest impact starting points for your specific fund structure so you're not guessing. One important point. The right AI setup for a 5-property family office is very different from what a 100-asset private equity fund needs. Do not overbuild on day one. To bring it all together, here is what AI is now handling for the operators who have made the shift. Business plans that used to take a week are drafted in hours. Lease-Up strategies that required 3 analysts now run through a single AI-assisted workflow. Value-add roadmaps are generated per asset, not just for marquee deals. And investor reporting that used to pile up at month-end is largely automated. AI is not replacing your team. It is giving them back the time to do the work that actually moves the needle. Every portfolio is different, and the right AI setup depends on your fund structure, asset count, and where your team is losing the most time. Book a free 15-minute call, and we will map out exactly where AI can create the biggest impact for your operation, starting with the documents and workflows your team touches most. No generic recommendations. A clear, actionable roadmap built around your specific business. Subscribe for more practical AI strategies built for real estate operators, new videos every week.